Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Simmons Entanglement knot. One tie and one gear tie. Here we go. We're using props again. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over. I'm just going to put in a dimple. Bring this over the top. And bring it up and over like this. And then we're going to come down and around and across like this. And then we're going to come up and over. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this and just kind of make a coil out of it. And it doesn't have to be in this exact shape, just something kind of like this, kind of a coil. I'm just going to put it in here like this. And then bring the tie across back like that, so it's kind of pointing out like this. I'm going to fold this tie in half and I'm going to put it in this groove right here. And it'll kind of fold like that. Then I'm going to bring it up and over like this. So we have this so far. We have one gear tie holding this up at a point up here. Then we have this one folded right here. I'm going to fold this in half and bring it around, and then I'm going to bring it across, up and over like this, and then I'm going to actually bring this together and then lift this up, tuck this underneath it, and have these closer. I prefer that. So here you have the Simmons Entanglement, but we're going to do more with this shape of a gear tie for more knots later on. So here we go. Again, to see this picture, go to my Instagram, Simmons Essentials. Oh no, stop my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.